Let's talk about a mistake that quietly destroys professional voices. A professional voice is not forced, it's settled. People think authority lives in sounding serious, but what actually happens is this: you tighten the throat, compress the sound, and fatigue sets in fast. Now, here's how you know you are straining your voice. If your neck feels tight after speaking, if your voice cracks when you relax, if you need to clear your throat often. I said in previous videos that clearing your throat while you are in the process of speaking is a bad idea. Now, the fix is not to speak softer or speak louder. The fix is to release before control. So try this. Before speaking, gently sigh out loud like, this is sighing, soft sigh. That sigh resets your throat to neutral. Now speak your sentence from that relaxed place. Authority in speaking comes from steadiness, not pressure. So this is one of the first things I definitely correct when training presenters, because once the strain is gone, every other thing improves. My name is Gloria Akachuku. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video, like, so you can get more tips on how to train your voice to become more confident. And guess what? Coming soon will be the voice training for presenters and voice artists. You want to keep an eye out for that when we make the final announcement. But for now, I hope this makes your next recording or presentation better. So I catch you in my next video. Bye.